Okay, I'm going to make a few cuts with this Ryobi tile saw. I had a table tile saw before, and I found it to be a real mess, kind of hard to use. If you had to do any kind of delicate cuts or anything, you'd get sprayed with water. I don't know, I like this a lot better so far. The reviews are kind of mixed on it. So far it's been working good, but I haven't used it. I've only cut about 6 tiles, so anyhow I'm going to cut 6 more tiles here real quick, and you can kind of get an idea how it works. Alright. Stack these up real quick so you can see them. Looks like I got a little water on the camera there. I had my water pressure up a little too high at the start there. I was spraying water all over the place. So one thing I find with this is you gotta kind of figure out your water pressure. I find if it's just kind of dripping down the blade here, that's about right. If you have it on, if you're outside, you turn it on maybe a little faster, and then your tiles come out a little cleaner. You don't have to clean them off, but I don't know, it's probably better to have it on a little bit lower so you're not getting water everywhere. Anyhow, there's the tile. They're pretty uniform, nice smooth cuts. And they're all the same width, you know, it looks like. Yeah, so what this is you have your water, and in this case I'm using a wash tub, and I got a little short hose that I made hooked up here, and then to your water in here, and then your water goes in here into this hose, which goes up into the arm and sends your water over to your blade. So there's no pump. You can buy an optional pump, and there's a plug-in for it here, I guess. But anyhow, you hook the one hose up, there's your water, and then there's another hose hook up. I don't know if you can see it right over there, that's your drain. Normally you'd hook that up, put it in a bucket or something. In this case, my bucket's outside, because this wash tub just drains out into a 55-gallon drum that I take care of every once in a while. So, yeah, in the house, it's not really made to be used in the house. That's why, as you can see, I have a bunch of, actually I have the box cut up and put up on this side to block the side spray. And there's a little bit of back spray. There is a guard here that's supposed to stop most of it, a little rubber guard, and it does a fairly good job. But if I have the water pressure right, normally there'll be a little bit of spray right at the end that hits like right across from it right there. As you can see, I had the spray too high and this whole thing's wet, but normally it wouldn't be that way. But the side spray, even on the lower setting, it gets side spray over along this side. So, like I say, really this isn't made to be used in the house, but it's about 20 degrees outside today, so I don't think I'd be using it outside. So I kind of have to do it in the house. But yeah, so far it works nice. I've read reviews and they say the table gets out of alignment and it won't cut tiles straight and that. I think part of the problem with that is just maintenance, keeping your guide rod clean and the other side clean of debris. And you can readjust the table, the rollers and stuff. I hope to never have to do that, but if you do, you can. It tells you how. And the other thing is, don't push from the side of the table. You know, push like I was, push from the back. Of course, keep your hands clear, but push straight into your work, and I don't think you'll have a problem. It comes with a couple, it comes with this guide, and then an angle guide for cutting 45s and whatnot. So, and this was like $120 at Home Depot. The website had it for $100, and I probably could have got free shipping from $100, but I was getting some other stuff and I got financing, so I don't have to pay it all off right away. So pay a little bit more, but I don't know if the website price was free shipping or not. So, but yeah, I mean, so far it works slick. Oh, one thing I also read is the blade that comes with it isn't that great, so I purchased a better blade, and this takes a 7-inch blade. So, and I've read people cutting all kinds of tile and also cutting like brick pavers and stuff. Might use a different blade for that, but this thing will cut them. So yeah, so far it works good, and it's a heck of a lot better than my old one. That's the main thing. My old one was, I think, $60 and made a lot more of a mess than this thing does, so I'm happy.